Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make taskbar completely transparent in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to make your taskbar completely transparent, so let's see how we can do that. So basically in our Windows 11, we haven't any direct way to make it completely transparent. We have a setting of transparency, but this doesn't make this completely transparent. So go to personalization here, go to colors, and in colors you might get transparency effects. So I'm gonna turn it off. So you can see it doesn't completely change, it just a slightly change over it. So now I'm going to make it completely transparent. You just need a third party tool. Just open your Microsoft Store, and in Microsoft Store, just go to the search section there. Once you're in search, just search for library wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna search for library wallpaper here, and you just have to open the first app. Just install this first app here. So I'm gonna install this on my PC. Just click on install, and it will take a couple of minutes to install depending on your network speed. So once the app has been installed, you just have to click on open to open the app. Here, just wait for some loading. And once the app has been opened, you might get some wallpapers here. You can easily set them as your own desktop wallpaper. So now I'm going to change my taskbar. So just click on this settings icon here and then click on system. Now in system, you might see the taskbar theme. You just have to click on this off section, and here just click on clear. And once you have clicked on clear, you might see that your taskbar is now completely transparent. You can also change your scene to anything else like blur or wallpaper fluent, or you can also set clear. I'm gonna set clear here. So in this way, you can easily set or make your taskbar completely transparent. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.